Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Beloved brothers and sisters, we all wish to establish an egalitarian society, but this isn't possible without Islam because Islam is the only religion that truly ensures equity and rights. As the Prophet Muhammad emphasized, Ya ayyuhan nas, inna rabbakum wahid, ala la fadla li arabiyyin ala ajamiyyin, wala li ajamiyyin ala arabiyyin. ولا لأحمر على أسود ولا لأسود على أحمر إلا بالتقوى إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. O people, your Lord is one. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, or a non-Arab over an Arab. A white person has no superiority over a black person, nor a black person over a white person, except by taqwa. The most honored of you with Allah is the one who has the most taqwa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.